Are you tired of your glass shower accumulating water spots and soap scum, and you want to figure a way to make everything easier when it's time to clean it up, or at least squeegee the water off it after you're done using your shower? Well, this is the video for you. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So I'm in my glass shower today, and this is going to be a simple tutorial on how you can clean and protect the glass with a ceramic coating, which means it's going to have water beading properties. So your water is going to go from a slow sheeting pool style water that can accumulate minerals and also limescale and also soap scum to a surface that's going to have a lot of protection and hydrophobic properties. So meaning those tight round water beads that are simply going to evacuate off the panels very quickly. The water is going to sheet off very quickly. It's going to make squeegeeing the glass a lot quicker also when you're cleaning your glass shower, and it's just going to make everything so much better and of course easier to maintain. By the way, don't worry, I'll include the links to all the tools, products, and equipment in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So today we're actually using a very simple system. So this is a car detailing channel, and I give you guys a lot of car detailing tips and tricks, right? But there's a lot of automotive grade type products that can also be used in your household, and this is a perfect scenario for that. So we're using two products from a Japanese company called Soft99, and the first one is going to be their Glaco Roll-On Compound. So this is going to be a chemical cleanse with a bit of abrasives that will not harm or scratch your glass, but is going to prepare the surface, removing any water spots, any limescale accumulation, any soap scum that might be on there, and make the glass streak free and of course squeaky clean in order to apply the second product. And this is going to be the Soft99 Ultra Glaco. This is a 12-month ceramic coating for glass surfaces, perfect for use on the windshield and on your vehicle glass, but also perfect in this type of situation. You're going to see you don't need any special tools. This is it, a few towels and a bonus step that I highly recommend as well. So without further ado, let's dig right into it. You're going to see just how simple this is. So first order of business, we're going to be applying the roll-on compound. So again, this is very simple. You unscrew the plastic protector. You're going to shake your product well before you use it, like any detailing chemical. Sorry for the echo and closing the glass door, so the audio might not be as crispy as usual. So the glass compound, or the roll-on compound, has this felt applicator. You're going to squeeze the bottle a little bit to get that released, and hopefully you can see that on screen. And you're going to either do straight line motions or circular motions as you want. Basically cover every inch of the glass surface. And this is going to not only help abrade off any contamination, any water spotting that you guys might have on your glass, any soap scum accumulation also, but it's going to chemically also cleanse the surface. So see this as a deep clean. So very simple and very quick to do. So when you need more, just reload by squeezing the applicator or the bottle itself. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Just make sure you're very thorough and you cover every square inch of the surface. So I'm going to fast forward with the magic of editing until we get ready for the next part. All right, guys, so in just a few minutes, we were able to pretty much compound this entire glass surface, or see it as a light polish if you want to. So now it's dried. It only took 1 or 2 minutes to do the entire glass panel here. So all you have to do now is rinse with water. All right, now you can dry the glass by simply squeegeeing off any water that might be on there. So now the majority of the water has been squeegeed off. As an insurance step, And an optional step that I highly recommend, just like we would in the automotive industry, after doing a polishing step, we're going to use a panel prep spray. In this case, the Clean by Pan, the Organizer Panel Prep Spray. So this contains some surfactants, it has some VOC compliant solvents, and it also has isopropyl alcohol for evaporation. So this is going to leave any residue potentially left behind. So you just spray this liberally on the surface. There you go. And then we're going to take a lint-free microfiber glass towel, and we are simply going to do as if we're cleaning the glass. So this is going to ensure that there's nothing left behind to interfere with the coating itself bonding correctly to the glass. So again, optional step, but highly recommended. So make sure you're very thorough. All right, guys, so at this point, as you can probably tell on camera, the glass is squeaky clean. It's crystal clear. It's free of any water spots, free of any limescale accumulation, free of any soap scum. So now is the perfect time to apply the protection, the Ultra Glaco. So very simple, shake your chemical first. And this one too comes with a felt style applicator. Let me show you. See that? So you just squeeze the bottle to let some liquid out. And in a straight line motion, you're going to do cross hatch patterns. You can do circular motion if you want. With this product, I tend to prefer the basket weave or cross hatch, up and down and left and right. Whichever method you choose, the important thing to remember is to do a good application. So be thorough. Don't miss any spots. But this is so easy. Even a kid can do it. Of course, always wear protective equipment when you're detailing work in a well-ventilated space. Also, I use nitro gloves when working with detailing chemicals. You always want to be safe, right? I also turned on the vent to vent the space to make sure I'm not breathing any of this in. And this is how simple it is. So in just a few minutes, you will have coated your glass. Now, once you do so, you're going to let it cure on the surface for 5 to 10 minutes. So you're going to see it's going to dry to a haze, and that's where it's going to be time to use your microfiber towel to wipe it off. All right, so it's been roughly 7 minutes at this point. So anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to take your microfiber towel and you're simply going to wipe off. Now, as you can tell, I'm not struggling. This is very easy to wipe off. And you're going up and down, left and right. Just again, be thorough to remove any of that residual coating. And once the curing time is done, so we're going to let this sit without exposure to any water for 12 hours. So now we're late in the day. We're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to have a look at the hydrophobic properties. So you see, no struggles. It comes off very easily. And that is it, guys. And there we have it, just a crystal clear glass application. It looks fantastic. And the microfiber towel we used, by the way, is something like this that I like to use for removing coatings. This is a pearl weave, short nap, no linting style towel. And that's it. Once you're done, discard these towels, throw them away because you don't want that coating to harden here and potentially damage any delicate surfaces you might have if you reuse it, or if you want to reuse the towels, use them for non-delicate surfaces, engine bay detailing, maybe stuff around the house that will not potentially scratch that surface. So downgrade them to use for something else. Inspect your work, make sure that you didn't forget any spots wiping off, and that's it. Super simple. Wait 12 hours. Again, do not put any water on this, so wait 12 hours for it to fully cure, and that's it, you're good to go. And we're gonna have a look at the hydrophobic properties after those 12 hours. All right, guys, so we're the following day. The curing time has been respected. So let's have a look at this hydrophobic properties. That means how the water droplets are going to bead up and slide off the glass very easily. So let me put this into shower mode and have a look at that. And then when you're done taking your shower, it's as easy as squeegeeing the glass, and it will always stay crystal clear. Look at that. This is so easy. So if you're not talking to a camera, all these steps you can easily do 5 to 10 minutes tops. Of course, depending on how big the shower is and how many glass panes you have to do. But in this case here, for this front section, 5 to 10 minutes, you're good, and you'll be probably good for over a year, even though they claim that this is a 12 months protection. That's normally what I see on a windshield in real world conditions. Because this is inside, you're not exposed to the elements, of course, so you're probably gonna get water beading for way over those 12 months, and it's simple to do at home. Anybody can do this. So as a reminder, again, we used the Glaco Roll-On Compound for the first step. And then for the before the application, the optional step was to use the Clean by Pan, the Organizer Panel Prep Spray to remove any polishing oil and residue and get the glass really squeaky clean and ready for the application of the Glaco Ultra, again by Soft99. So this is the glass coating. You saw how simple this is to apply. If you want to see how you can do the application of this on your car's windshield and side and rear glass, I'll leave that video linked in the description. And of course, all these products are available very easily. Again, check the links in the description under the video. I have over 1,100 videos at this point on my channel. Everything you need to know about detailing your vehicle and even some things that you can do inside your home. So go ahead, browse my channel and enjoy that. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.